Hello guys, in this quick tutorial we're gonna go through how to search on Netflix. So I will just show you super basic tricks how to just like search for content on Netflix. So basically there are these ways here. First of all, you can just search through recommendations or search or by browsing through categories. So there are basically three ways. First of all, and what I really like about Netflix, it's recommendations. Netflix makes recommendations and displays them in rows for you to browse through. So some recommendations might be trending now, recently added, exciting TV shows, comedies, top picks for you because you watched, and stuff like that. So you will always see this kind of categories in your Netflix account. So for example, here, if I just go to Netflix.com, I can see this like trending now. So this is trending now, but also it's based on movies which I watched before and which might be interesting for me. Popular on Netflix, the same stuff, so it's all recommendations. And then they also obviously have top picks for me. Yeah, so obviously Netflix is using some kind of like machine learning to identify content which you watched before and you liked it, you add it to your list, and based on that pattern just generates new type of content which might be interesting for you. So this is just recommendations. You can find these recommendations in each category. So for example, on series, you can find series. Then you can go to recently added and you will see them as well here, trending now and stuff like that. Also, so you can just search manually for shows you are interested in. So these are things you need to keep in mind that if the title is not available, Netflix will suggest something you might enjoy. If your search is too vague, Netflix will provide some additional suggestions. And then these are the main search types. So you can search for TV show or movie title, for example, like Stranger Things. So what you need to do is just have this search term, and where is Netflix search? So it's here, just this button here. You just enter it here, and you will have all the titles available here. And obviously, like the first title would be what you are searching for. You can also search for actors or actresses. Just enter their name in search query. You can search for directors. So I just entered Tarantino, for example, and I have his movies on Netflix here. You can enter genre, you can enter video quality. Again, in the search query, you can enter for language, Spanish movies, and stuff like that. Also, there are obviously categories. You will have options to select either TV shows or movies. So here you can select either movies like films and series. In each series you can select a genre. Also on the desktop on the right side here, you can also, when you're searching for something, you can see all of these categories. For example, AZ. You can filter your series, for example, from A to Z, year released, and suggestions for you. Also, suggested titles rows. As I said before, Netflix used obviously some algorithm to suggest you, for example, horror movies. If you never click on the suggested row, it will be moved lower and lower until it's no longer listed. That can be different on different devices, on mobile or desktop. So that's about it. this like very basic overview how to search for content on Netflix. Hope it was useful. If you have some additional tricks, please leave them in the comment section below. And please subscribe to the channel for additional videos about everyday software and tech.